guys, my name is Sienna, and today we're going to be doing a skateboard deck unboxing. And recently my skateboard deck has chipped and is all banged up. Look at that. The grip tape's peeling off, and I got major razor tail, got this gross spot. Yeah, this board is just 15 years old, and I think that this deck is done. So I ordered a new deck and grip tape, so let's unbox it. Now my brother in the background, come out, Preston. Hi. He has no clue what deck I got. Excited. It's a surprise for him. This box took about a week to ship, a little less than a week. So
that was supposed to come on Wednesday.
It was supposed to come on Wednesday. Alright guys, so let's unbox this box. Open this box.
Stand like this.
So are you ready for this? Oh, I almost cut my wrist. Slit your wrist every day. I don't think you're supposed to cut towards it.
No, you're not.
But it's way easier. It's hard to go like.
You also have it wrong.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you had it like on the box.
No, I don't.
Neither do I.
So this skateboard deck was on sale, so that is the reason I got it. So, first of all, we got a little note in here from Zoomies, just saying what I ordered. Yes, I ordered from Zoomies. Oh, paper, that's nice.
I'll take that. Okay.
Fly away.
He said the trees will take it.
I'm gonna go get that. Come over here and take it. Can't eat. Probably just ruined this book. First of all, we're just gonna get the grip tape out to get the boring stuff first.
Oh. Is it in like a roll?
Yeah, it's gesso.
You've never heard of it?
No. It's big.
Is it longboard grip tape?
No, just normal. Okay, so I got plain black grip tape, Jessup, not sponsored, hashtag, just plain black grip.
Ooh, it's like sandpaper.
Pretty
That's
much what grip tape is.
Yeah.
Kind of got all folded up, but that's okay. Ready for this, Preston?
I'm gonna close my eyes and tell me when you take your out. Is it out?
Yeah. Ready, look.
Okay.
Okay, come in the shot though. Alright, ready for this? Okay.
Oh!
So yeah guys, I ride an 8.0 and this was on sale for $40 instead of $51. So I got it like, what, $10 off?
Yeah.
And
Now you
it
gotta check the box.
has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flies, I think.
Yeah.
Have your wall skateboard feathers. Let's see. Hopefully this is what I ride. Okay, it's a little bigger. A lot bigger. But that's okay. So here,
That's like a longboard.
no it's not. Here is the board. I like the radio thing, so that's why I got it. Just kidding, that's not a radio.
Like this. You go
No one knows what a radio is anymore. They only know what a phone is. I've never gripped my own board before, actually. So this is gonna be my first time. Could screw up majorly, but I've watched a crap ton of videos, and it looks like you just go like this, and then you press out.
and then you get a razor thing going.
Yeah. But these are all folded, so I'm not quite sure what to do with that. But whatever.
So we're gonna put that there. Now we can pretty much have an extra skateboard. Like we have wheels, hardware.
No, we don't.
I guess we have wheels.
No, we don't.
Yeah, green.
I'm scared. Never done this before.
And then you majorly fail. That'd be hilarious.
Alright, you did kind of. I don't really have a table.
Wheels.
No. Okay. Alright, so now I got grip on. That was actually way easier than I would ever think.
Can I put this back now?
No. And then you put this on, and you just kind of smoothen it out.
It'll come off.
Alright, gotta get these bubbles out. Alright, then next what you do is you get some sort of skate tool and you kind of just file down the edges. Next thing, cutting. Poke it through and just kind of cut towards yourself. That was a good cut right there. I definitely recommend a table if you're going to cut grip tape. Alright, so what you do after you grip the board is you grab a piece of your grip tape and fold it up and then just sand down your edges. So next up you have to find something to poke through. So I'm going to use this to poke through the grip tape and find the holes of where your trucks are supposed to go. So it is super simple. You just find the hole right here and poke through. And do it in each spot. And then on the front you have little teeny holes that you can barely see through yet. And then do it on the back of the other side. Alright, next up is taking off the trucks of here and putting them onto that board. So let's do it. Alright, we got one truck. All right, guys, we just got these trucks off, and yeet!
Did that land up right side up?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Now we just got to put the hardware and
In the
trucks onto this deck.
Okay.
All right.
That's
So
what we use it for.
we just got all the holes in the grip tape. So now we got to put
The little dinghies in.
all these screws in. All right, so we got all the hardware in. Well, not all the hardware, but all the screws in. And
It looks
that-
scary.
yeah, it's like jump, jump. All right, now
He's
let's
like-
put the trucks on.
One truck.
All right, we got one truck on so far,
And my hand is blazing.
so we can do manuals. Whee! All right, next one. Next truck. Make sure to put it on the right way.
Is it in?
Nope.
Yeah.
All right, guys, got the trucks on. It's
I know it's cool.
yeah.
I like it.
I feel like it's a lot heavier, like a lot heavier than that.
Now ride it.